When you create a new class in Seesaw as a teacher, you will see a sample student in the journal section of the class list, right here. You can use the sample student to try out creative tools and the activity library as if you were a student, all from your teaching account. When sample student is enabled, you will see sample student at the top of your class list when you are sharing an activity, selecting students to tag, or posting to student journal. To show you how to use sample student, I've shared an activity with my new class. To add a post as sample student, I will locate the activity in the Activities tab, then tap the green Add button, and respond as sample student by tapping Sample Student. Here, I can view the activity I just shared exactly as the student who is responding in my class would. I'll add a response using any of the creative tools and using the instructions listed in the activity here. Now that I've submitted my response as the sample student, I'm back in my teaching account. I can view the test response I just created as the sample student. To disable or enable sample student in your class, tap the wrench icon, scroll to Students, and toggle Enable Sample Student on or off.